Hi, Charles from Southern Indiana. Well, my wife and I redid our deck this summer, and we decided that it would be neat to have some lighting on the deck. And so I found a light kit from SMY lighting. I actually bought two kits with 16 lights each, drilled holes all around my deck, popped them in, daisy chained the wires, and then I put a new waterproof outlet under the deck, and they work great. They're very bright. And then I got the SMY dimmer kit that you plug in, and then it had a remote. Works great because the lights to me were a little bit bright, but some people like to really light it up at night. But now they have a new kit that improves upon that, and what they did is they made the smart LED deck light kit. Now it comes with 20 of these lights. Here's the box of 16, there's another box of 4, but they've added some new features that I think are just great. This new kit comes with this small transformer that can run those 20 lights, and the two additions are it has a light sensor, so when it gets dark the lights come on, gets light in the morning they go off, or you could choose to have the lights come on when it's dark, and then after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, or 12, your choice, you get to choose to have them go off at that time. Personally, I just want them on all night long, but I think the neatest feature is the dimming, and you can push the button one at a time and go from 100, 75, 55, 35, and 15. And I tend to like the lighting really low, just to you can see where the steps are and you're safe walking up, but not too bright. But some people like it, again, as I may have mentioned, people really like it bright. Or you can just push and hold the dimming button and it will steplessly go from 100 all the way down, and you just let go when you get to the lighting level that you want. And in case you're wondering if the power would go off when it comes back on, the settings that you made for the hour and the light sensor and the dimming all stay on, so you don't have to go back in and reset that. So this is a new addition to their deck lighting lineup, and I think it's some really smart additions to the deck lighting that you can choose.